Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu and today I am presenting on the topic fund flow statement. So I will be covering uses, limitations and procedure. So before moving towards the uses of fund flow statements, let's begin with understanding the meaning of fund flow statement. What does it mean? So fund means the net working capital of an organization which can be derived by deducting total current assets minus total current liability, and flow means inflow and outflow of fund. Okay, so fund flow statement is a financial document that analyzes the company's balance sheet for 2 years, that is the previous year and the current year. Previous year means the financial year in which the company has begun, that is the 1st April, and the current year is the end of the financial year, that is 31st March. So it compares the inflow and outflow of the fund during the concerned accounting period and analyzes it. So it affects the working capital. So why is it required to prepare a fund flow statement is basically to check the position of assets, liability and its working capital. So let's move towards the uses of fund flow statement. Analytical importance in financial operation. So it is important from the management perspective, management point of view. So even though the financial statement or the balance sheet shows all the resources and the utilization, but it does not reveal the reasons for such changes in the balance sheet, why the changes has incurred. So this has not been revealed in the balance sheet or the income statement. So but by preparing a fund flow statement, it provides an analytical view of difference between the current assets and the current liability. Hence it also explains how these changes has been incurred in this context. So like if for example we can take like if the company like the face if the company has incurred the losses in the current year, in the in the balance sheet it will show that the company went into losses, but it will not reveal the reason for such changes. But by preparing a fund flow statement, it will compare all the assets and the liability, and looking at that, it will also provide the reason for such changes, and looking at that, the company can come to know the reasons for such changes. And the second thing is it helps to form a dividend policy. Now this is important from the management perspective, even as from the shareholders perspective, because both the parties are interested in knowing the dividend policies of an organization. So if, sometimes a firm possesses sufficient amount of dividend, but but it finds it difficult to do so because of liquidity, as a fund flow statement does identify the liquidity blockage and assist in planning effective dividend policies. So even if the in a scenarios, even if the company has sufficient funds, profit to be distributed as dividend, but because of some liquidity issue where there is a blockage of fund, it is not able to do so. But the fund flow statement identifies such blockers in the organization and assist in planning effective dividend policy. Then it works as a financial guide. So this fund flow statement acts as a financial guide. It finds out all the issues in the concern, and it also gives the guidance how it can be effectively managed. Then the third thing is it helps to determine so the third thing is it helps to determine the credit worthiness of an organization. Normal Okay, so it helps to determine the credit worthiness of an organization. Now the credit worthiness, normally whenever the financial lender or they are whenever they are lending you money, so they are interested in knowing the fund flow statement, because institution lending financial often offer to evaluate the statement for a series of years to assess the credit worthiness of an organization. So the company, before approving a loan, hence they will be interested in knowing your fund flow statement, because looking at that, company will know whether the financial lender will come to know whether the company is in the position to pay all the loans which has been given to them. It helps in proper allocation of the resources. Normally the resources which are there in the organizations are very limited, so the resources in terms it can be fund, so the whatever the funds are there in the organization should be utilized to the optimum and in the right place. And it helps in appraising of use of working capital. So the fund flow statement helps in explaining how effectively the management has used its working capital, and it also suggests the ways to improve the working capital position of the firm. So it shows how the management has used its working capital which has been there in the organization, and how effectively it can be utilized. It can be identified through preparing a fund flow statement. So let's move towards the limitations of fund flow statement. It is not a substitute to income statement. Basically, this fund flow statement is prepared from income statement or balance sheet. Before preparing this, the fund flow statement cannot be prepared. So it is a basic. So just by preparing a fund flow statement, it doesn't mean that you can neglect income statement or balance sheet. It is compulsory to be prepared. Fund flow statement may not be prepared once, but the income statement is a compulsory document which the company has to prepare. Then it is not a statement. Actually, the fund flow statement is not an actual statement because it is being prepared from all the the balance sheet and income. Looking at those, the fund flow statement is prepared, so it is not a it is not a statement, but it is just a rearrangement of data. Cannot be prepared accurately because this fund flow statement is been prepared from income statement and financial statement, income statement and balance sheet. So even so if there are any mistakes or any errors in those statement, that means those errors will also appear here. So it may not be prepared, cannot be prepared accurately. It does not reveal the continuous changes. So the changes in each are more important and relevant for financial management than the working capital. So changes is more relevant to cash, not working capital. Procedure for preparing fund flow statement. So procedure for preparing fund flow statement consists of two parts, that is statement of schedule of working changes in working capital and statement of sources and application of fund. So let's begin with statement of schedule of changes in working capital. So this is a table how it looks. So there is a particular, so previous year informations have been written here. The current assets in the previous year and the current year, effect in working capital, whether it has been increased or decreased. So cash in hand, some data. So these are some of the entries which have been given here. And the difference between the total current assets and the total current liability is the changes in working capital. So the points to be considered while preparing the statement is that, so when there is an increase in current assets, that means there will be an increase in current working capital. So whenever a current assets has been increased, that means the working capital will increase. That means the company is sufficient. If the assets are more, that means the company will have sufficient working capital. If in a situation where the current asset has been decreased, that means the working capital has decreased. Or when the current liability has increased, that means the working capital has decreased. Or when the current liability has decreased, that means the working capital has decreased. Basically it all means that whenever the current assets of the company has increased, that means working capital will increase, or vice versa. So this statement all provides all the particulars where all the assets have been given, current assets are given, and all the current liabilities are given, and difference between both have been found out, and that will be the changes in working capital. So the second statement is a statement of sources and application of funds. So this statement, so the fund flow statement is a statement which indicates the various sources of funds from which the working capital, like the working capital has arrived in the organization, has been obtained during the concerned period, and and um, and and which the financial flow has been obtained during the period. So between the current period, so from which sources the funds have been arrived in the organization, and how these funds have been utilized, this all information is given by this statement. So this statement is also divided into two format, that is a report form and T form, or an account form, or self balancing type. So the starting specimen of report form of fund flow statement gives all the sources of funds and application of funds. So some of them are like fund flow operations. This all the informations have been obtained, and difference between both have been found out. Thank you.